Hey there, today we're going to look at how to create easting and northing coordinates in AutoCAD. So let's get started. First, create a point in AutoCAD. Over here, type P-type and press enter. Then choose a point style to make the point clearly visible. After that, add a text box to your drawing. Over here, place your cursor inside the text box, right-click and select Insert Field. Then in the field category, select Objects. After that, under Field Name, select Object. Over here, click Select Object and choose the point you created. Then select the Position property. After that, in the preview, select both the X and Y coordinates. Over here, confirm your selection to display the coordinates in the text box. Then, for additional points, copy and paste both the point and the associated text. After that, use the REGEN command to refresh and automatically update the coordinates. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.